4:14 on a chilly Tuesday afternoon. We'll start you out on a little tour of the Neighborhood Weather Network. First stop, Monuments. We're at People's Bank. It's a chilly 16 degrees. There's not a lot of wind right now. And the snow flurries that have been flying off and on through the day really haven't accumulated today. They did a little bit this morning. But roads look okay, so traveling around Palmer Divide should be all right for the evening commute. And I would say the same thing about Colorado Springs right now. Seems like we're flowing well on I-25 here. I've seen from Phil Long Kia in downtown Colorado Springs. 24 degrees, so it's a little bit warmer, and the sky is brightening, but we never really have been able to get much sun out across Colorado Springs today. We do see some sun in Walsenburg right now. Still chilly, though. 23 degrees with a northeasterly breeze at 4 miles an hour, but it always helps when the sun is out, and at least for a few folks, that has happened. So most of eastern Colorado in the 20s right now, and we're actually a little warmer as you head up into the higher terrain. Currently 34, for example, in Salida. We've been in the 30s for much of the day in Woodland Park. Overnight tonight, though, we'll all get pretty chilly with single digits along the front range and some teens here and there as well. Probably 20s as you get up into the mountain areas. Alamosa around 7. So certainly make sure that if you're going to be out and about later on tonight or tomorrow morning, get yourself a warm coat. You'll need it. During the day tomorrow, we'll watch the snow really start to expand up here across the Continental Divide. So the ski resorts are going to pick up some very heavy snow. Have a mixture of winter weather advisories, winter storm warnings, avalanche warnings. It's all up for the high country. So heavy snow both tomorrow as well as Thursday. But notice through 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, we don't see any of that here in eastern Colorado. So we'll get through tomorrow morning's commute in relatively good shape outside of a little patchy fog. And then we should be fine through tomorrow evening's commute, best we can tell, too. Looks a little cooler in northeastern Colorado tomorrow than we will be here in the southern part of the state with 20s. We'll expect 30s for Colorado Springs, Pueblo, and everybody along the Arkansas River. Chinook wind could boost temperatures into the 40s from Canyon City to Walsenburg, maybe around 50 in Trinidad. High country will be in the 20s and 30s and dealing with a lot of snow. And again, you see that snow continuing up here across the high country into Thursday morning. But what you also see is an area of snow sliding south along I-25. So we do expect that we'll have some impacts to the commute on Thursday morning. How much snow falls is still a little up in the air, but for most of us along the Front Range, I still think we're talking about a relatively light snowfall on the order of 1 to 4 inches, which would then wrap up from north to south Thursday night into Friday morning. High temperatures, by the way, on Thursday only in the teens, and we'll get a couple of nights here of single-digit lows, too, so it is going to get quite chilly. Look for temperatures then to rebound a little bit as we head into the weekend with 30s on Saturday, 40s on Sunday, windy and 50s on Monday. And then another system might clip us with just a little bit of light snow and some cooler air late Tuesday into Tuesday night. Pueblo, high temperatures tomorrow in the 30s, 20s then on Thursday. Snow will probably move in Thursday morning and then stick around off and on through the day before winding down late Thursday night into Friday morning. As I mentioned, a 1 to 4 inch snowfall seems reasonable. Not promising that just yet, but certainly seems like the type of thing this storm would do. We'll then be up into the 50s by Monday. Canyon City, look for highs in the 40 range or so tomorrow, but only 20s on Thursday, so everybody gets chilly on Thursday. Then 30s on Friday, we'll start moving up from there. Again, Thursday is your best chance for snow. Couldn't rule it out lasting into early Friday morning. Mountain communities in Taylor County looking for highs to fall from the 30s tomorrow into the teens on Thursday, so big drop off there. Again, Thursday looks a little snowy and could be a few flurries around Friday morning, but most of that should be sliding south of the area by then. There are some potential areas that we could see heavier snow than what I've suggested, and in particular, I think the higher terrain south and west of Pueblo, that's a possibility. So we're not sure on the details yet, but I think it's enough to say that we should expect some slick travel on Thursday.
But for the meantime, tonight, tomorrow morning should be in the clear, at least for now.
Yes, we should be okay.
All right, hopefully that turns out. Marty, thanks.
You're welcome.
The deadly storm.